It's Preston's birthday today!
Boom. Yeah. I use these for animating. Take a picture, move the guy a tiny bit, take a picture, move a guy a little bit, and it'll eventually turn into a video.
That's right, and Preston doesn't know this, but he's going to make an animation for this video. So stay tuned.
What are we doing today for your birthday?
Going out to a movie, going out to dinner, seeing the sunset. Wait, but we also went canoeing.
And what do you want for dessert?
Strawberry shortcake.
The one thing Preston really wanted for his birthday was a shrimp dinner. Apparently there's some event going on right by the restaurant that we're going to, so we have been trying to find a parking spot for the last 20 minutes or so. Hopefully this shrimp is worth it.
How are you?
What do you like about that one?
How are you?
Colored legs, and then there's a little table on it. Strider is
How are you?
What do you like about it? Color?
color.
How are you?
So I think they call this Tunnel Beach. You can see the tunnel back here, that's the reason why. So Preston wanted 3 things for his birthday. Did we do it?
Yeah.
Mission fulfilled.
Oh yeah.
Preston the conservationist, he's picking up all the cans off the beach. What a great kid. You know, we had such a good time last night, we decided to come by and have hot dogs on the beach tonight after work. Such a beautiful beach, and we had such a good time last night. It's a bit windy though, it's been kind of a buzzkill, but there's no denying the view. It's just stunning here. Tonight we just needed to blow off a little bit of steam, so we headed out into the woods, found a nice camping spot. It's got this nice park here, so just hanging out, playing some tag, you know, the huge.
It's moving day today. We are going from Oregon to Boise. We'll see how far we get. For anyone wanting to journey like we are, sell everything and buy a travel trailer and just go, we have had positives and negatives. We obviously have experienced a lot of things that we wouldn't normally have been able to go and do. There's been a couple of things that have been frustrating. School is sometimes one of those. Our internet is slow. Relationships between siblings. I think the relationships between our kids have grown in a lot of ways. but everybody knows that there are going to be off days, and there have been for our kids. There are days that they just do not get along. But all in all, I am so happy to have done this. We are about 2 months in our adventure, and I couldn't have asked for more. It's been everything I wanted it to be.
One other thing that we wanted to report on is the creation of our new website, Adventure Spark, advspark.com. We're going to add some additional content there, add a bit more of our travel log. You'll probably see us rebrand this YouTube channel from Boho Bradshaws to Adventure Spark, so hopefully that's automatic. You can just find us there. Anyway, check us out. Right now we've got a map up of where we've been, and you can just follow along on the journey a little bit more. Thanks for watching.